Have you ever wondered what it's like to meander through the cityscape of Graz in Austria? Embark on a journey of discovery, to a city where history seeps from every cobblestone and culture fills the air. Welcome to Graz, Austria, the captivating heart of Styria and Austria's second-largest city. Imagine a location where antiquity and modernity coexist, where medieval architecture gives way to contemporary innovation. This is Graz, a significant piece of Europe's rich tapestry, a city that epitomizes a European charm and elegance. Here in Graz in Austria, every stone, every structure, every corner narrates a fascinating tale. From its imposing edifices to its lively street life, Graz is a living testament to the narratives that have shaped it. It doesn't matter you're a zealous travel blogger or a relaxed traveler, Graz, Austria provides an experience that is truly unique. Brace yourself for an immersive walking tour of this bewitching European city. Imagine stepping back in time as you traverse through Graz's Old Town. The charm of this UNESCO World Heritage Site is palpable, as the cobblestone streets take you on a journey through centuries of architectural grandeur. The Old Town of Graz, known as Altstadt, is a captivating blend of styles that encapsulate the city's history. From the medieval Gothic edifices to the elegant Renaissance structures, each building tells a story of the past. The meticulously preserved facades offer a glimpse into the epochs that have shaped Graz into the city it is today. As you embark on this walking tour, you can't help but marvel at the intricately carved archways and the towering spires that punctuate the skyline. The detailed stonework, the ornate balconies and the vibrant rooftops create a harmonious tapestry of architectural brilliance. One of the most alluring aspects of Graz's Old Town is the unique blend of old and new. Amidst the historical buildings you'll find trendy boutiques and modern cafes adding a contemporary touch to the traditional setting. The lively squares are often filled with locals and travelers alike, adding a vibrant energy to the atmosphere. Every corner of the Old Town is steeped in history. From the Hauptplatz, the main square, to the narrow alleyways, every nook and cranny has a tale to tell. The whispers of the past echo through the winding streets, offering a sense of connection to those who have walked these paths before. As you continue your exploration, you'll discover hidden gems, from charming courtyards to quaint shops, offering a taste of Graz's rich culture. Whether you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler, the Old Town of Graz is sure to captivate your heart. And yet, this is just a fragment of Graz's allure. The city is a treasure trove of cultural delights waiting to be discovered. From its stunning landscapes to its vibrant arts scene, Graz beckons with a promise of unforgettable experiences. The Old Town is just the beginning. Graz has much more to offer. Just around the corner, the city continues to unfold, each step revealing another layer of its multifaceted charm. So, let's continue our journey and discover what else Graz has in store. Ever thought of a hill as the city's most iconic landmark? Well, welcome to the Schlossberg, the very heart and soul of Graz, Austria. This enchanting hill, rising majestically above the city's skyline, holds a special place in the hearts of Graz residents and visitors alike. The Schlossberg, translating to Castle Hill, is steeped in history. Its story begins in the 11th century, when it was fortified for the first time. Over the centuries, it has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the sweep of cultural changes, and the steady march of progress. Its rugged slopes have withstood the test of time, and today it stands as an enduring symbol of Graz's resilience and spirit. But what makes the Schlossberg truly remarkable isn't just its historical significance, it's the breathtaking panoramic views it offers of Graz. From its heights you can see the city unfurling in all its glory, a tapestry of red rooftops, winding cobblestone streets, and the shimmering Mur River that cuts through the city. It's a sight that never fails to captivate, a sight that encapsulates the charm and beauty of Graz. And then, there's the clock tower, the undisputed symbol of Graz. Perched atop the Schlossberg, this iconic tower has been keeping time for the city for over 3 centuries. Its quirky design, where the minute hand is longer than the hour hand, has been a source of fascination for many. But more than that, it's a beacon, a constant presence that has overseen Graz's transformation from a medieval town to a vibrant, modern city. The Schlossberg is more than just a hill. It's a testament to Graz's rich past and its dynamic present. It's a place where history and modernity intersect, where you can touch the past while looking out at the future. It's a place that encapsulates the soul of Graz, in all its complexity and charm. So, if you find yourself in Graz, make sure to take the time to scale the Schlossberg, breathe in the history, soak up the views, and let the city's spirit wash over you. From the Schlossberg's heights, let's descend into the vibrant city life. Ready to appreciate some modern architecture? Let's dive right into the heart of Graz's contemporary scene with two striking landmarks that boldly contrast with the city's historic architecture: Kunsthaus Graz and Murinsel. First up, the Kunsthaus Graz, affectionately known as the friendly alien by locals. This space-age structure, with its biomorphic shape and skin of thousands of semi-transparent acrylic glass panels, stands out against the city's Baroque rooftops. This isn't your average art museum. The Kunsthaus Graz is a bold statement of the city's commitment to progressive art, hosting exhibitions that push the boundaries of contemporary creativity. It's a place where ideas are born, challenged, and celebrated, a testament to Graz's forward-thinking cultural scene. Just a stone's throw away, floating on the Mur River, is our next stop, the Murinsel. This artificial island, shaped like a giant seashell, is another emblem of Graz's modern architectural prowess. Designed by New York artist Vito Acconci, it was created in 2003 as part of Graz's year as the European capital of culture. Today, the Murinsel serves as both a footbridge and a unique urban space with a cafe and an amphitheater for public events, offering a different perspective of the city from its deck. What's fascinating about these two structures is how they've been woven into the fabric of Graz's cityscape. They are not outliers but integral parts of the city's identity. They don't overshadow the historic architecture, instead, they complement it, creating a distinctive blend of old and new. This is a testament to Graz's ability to honor its past while embracing the future, creating a vibrant and dynamic cityscape. These architectural gems not only add to the city's visual appeal but also serve as hubs for cultural exchange and artistic expression. They are symbols of a city that is constantly evolving, yet rooted in its rich history. Graz seamlessly blends the old with the new, creating a cityscape like no other. As we continue our journey, let's savor this unique fusion of history and modernity that makes Graz such a captivating destination. Hungry for some authentic Austrian cuisine? It's time to dive into Graz's food scene, which is as vibrant and diverse as the city itself. Graz, the capital of Styria, is a gastronomic wonderland, offering a unique blend of traditional Austrian dishes and its own distinct Styrian cuisine. Imagine walking through the bustling local markets, alive with the chatter of vendors and shoppers. Here you'll find a wide array of fresh produce, local meats, aromatic spices, and delectable pastries. These markets are not just food havens, they are the beating heart of the city, where the culture of Graz truly comes alive. Now let's talk about the traditional Austrian dishes that you must try in Graz. If you're a meat lover, look out for Tafelspitz, a popular dish prepared with boiled beef in a broth, served with apple and horseradish sauces. Or perhaps you have a sweet tooth, then Apfelstrudel, a mouth-watering apple strudel, is just for you. But Graz isn't just about traditional Austrian cuisine. The city is proud of its unique Styrian dishes, which put a local spin on Austrian classics. One such dish is Styrischer Backhändel, a Styrian version of fried chicken, marinated in buttermilk and coated with a layer of breadcrumbs before being fried to crispy perfection. As a travel blogger, I can't help but marvel at the culinary diversity Graz offers. From cozy, family-run eateries to high-end restaurants, there's something to suit every palate and budget. And let's not forget the local wines, particularly the white wines, which are the perfect accompaniment to any meal. In Graz, food isn't just about sustenance, it's about community, tradition, and a shared love for good food. Whether you're trying a hearty goulash at a local tavern or savoring a slice of Sachertorte at a chic cafe, you're participating in a culinary tradition that spans generations. In Graz, every meal is an adventure in itself. So when you're in this splendid city, make sure to explore its food scene and taste the flavors that make Graz truly unique. So, are you ready to pack your bags for Graz, Austria? As we draw our journey to a close, let's take a moment to revel in the captivating charm of this city. Graz, nestled in the heart of Europe, has unfolded its enchanting tapestry before us. From the time-honored alleys of its old town to the lofty heights of the Schlossberg. Each step along this walking tour has immersed us in a unique blend of history and modernity. We've seen the contemporary marvels of Kunsthaus Graz and Murinsel, where architecture challenges tradition and embraces the future. And who could forget the vibrant food scene, a gastronomic delight that promises to tickle the taste buds of every travel blogger. Each corner of Graz, Austria holds a story, a flavor, a sight that's waiting to be discovered. Graz, Austria, a city where history and modernity coexist, awaits your visit. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour of Graz, Austria. Stay tuned for more travel adventures with Vacations Worldwide Travels.